I tend to make pancakes in a weekend anyway, but if I'm away, I like special ones. Ricotta Hotcakes, which are wonderful, really light and fresh, just taste of a summer weekend. I always think of them a bit as having the flavour, sort of cheesecake and the texture of a souffled griddle cake. Anyway, a 250 gram tub of ricotta is what you need to start off, and 125 millilitres of milk. I always use semi-skimmed. It's easy to measure just by half filling the ricotta tub. And 2 eggs, which need to be separated, and the eggs beaten separately. But a small child can do this for you, so it's okay. These stir together very easily. Don't need to be too energetic, so it's quite good for early in the morning. And now, 100 grams of plain flour, about a teaspoon of baking powder, and a little child labour ensues. Bruno, I want you to whisk this quite strongly, not so much that it goes all over the table, but to make it frothy. Please? Yes. And Mimi, just get the lumps out of this and gently get the flour in. I love strawberries with these. There's something about that juicy redness, but I have to say I'm not going to put up a fight. I know that children are going to want syrup, and I do occasionally as well. The thing about the fruit, and it could be any fruit, is that it seems to highlight the freshness of the taste and actually makes you feel like you're eating very healthily. Yeah? Let's see. I think that's fine. Do a bit more. Yeah, that's very good. I think that's okay now. I only want them a bit frothy. Can I have this, please? So, just pour these frothy whites into the yolk and flour and all that, the ricotta base. Just fold, or really rather stir, in. And when you're cooking them, and if you're using an ordinary frying pan, I would use a bit of vegetable oil, but this is a non-stick griddle, and it's just a question of dolloping out spoonfuls at regular intervals, and after about 2 minutes, they'll be lovely and golden brown. Just flip them over and give them another half minute or so, and that's it.